Hey everyone! Welcome back to Wheel and Thrill, your go-to channel for the latest on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Hustler, the compact car that's redefining city driving with its unique mix of practicality and flair. The new Hustler continues with its iconic, boxy design that's both retro and modern, featuring those standout round headlights and bold two-tone color schemes. It's designed to be compact for tight city streets but carries an SUV-like personality with a higher ride height, giving you confidence on less-than-perfect roads. Inside, Suzuki has pulled off some serious magic with space. Despite being a car, the 2025 Hustler maximizes every inch with flexible seating options and clever storage compartments, making it great for quick errands and weekend getaways. You've got a revamped dashboard loaded with tech, including a touchscreen infotainment system that supports navigation, smartphone integration, and even driver assistance features. Under the hood, the 2025 Hustler packs a small, fuel-efficient engine paired with Suzuki's mild hybrid system. This not only keeps your fuel costs low but also ensures smoother acceleration in stop-and-go traffic. Plus, with the option of all-wheel drive, it's more capable than you might think for a car this size. In terms of safety, Suzuki didn't hold back. The Hustler comes equipped with lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking, ensuring you stay safe on crowded city streets or longer drives. So, is the 2025 Suzuki Hustler the perfect mix of fun, practicality, and eco-friendly driving? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews, deep dives, and all things on wheels. Thanks for watching Wheel and Thrill, and we'll catch you on the next ride.